in this video. Profit settings of the GridX Expert Advisor in MetaTrader 5. These inputs control how the EA decides when to close baskets for profit. The profit settings define the target at which GridX will close a group of trades. Instead of managing each order individually, GridX manages positions as baskets. The profit settings tell the EA when the basket is sufficiently profitable to close and lock in gains. The first setting is the Take Profit type. GridX allows you to choose between three different modes. Currency units. Here you specify the exact profit in your account currency. For example, if you set the target at 10 and your account is in dollars, the basket will close once the floating profit reaches $10. This method is simple and works consistently across all symbols. Points. In this mode, GridX measures profit based on price distance. The basket will close when the price moves the desired points in favor of the average entry price. This is very precise for traders who think in terms of pips or points. Last one is percentage of price. Here you set profit as a percentage of price. For example, if you choose 0.5%, the basket will close when the market moves 0.5% in your favor compared to the average entry price. This makes the target scale naturally with volatility. It is especially useful for instruments like indices or crypto. The take profit input is the actual number used with the type you select. With currency type, you might set 10, which is 10 units of your account currency, example dollars or euro. With points, you might set 500, which is points. Or with percentage, you might set 0.5, which is percent. One of the advanced features in GridX is the profit multiplier. When set, the profit target increases as new orders are added to the basket. For example, if the multiplier is set to 2, each additional DCA order doubles the profit target. The benefit is that it prevents closing baskets too early when larger exposure is already in play. It helps balance risk and reward, making sure that bigger baskets, which carry higher risk, close with bigger profits. Here we see a partial back test using 2 currency units as take profit, with no multiplier. Remember that, if enabled, you will see a line and label at the expected take profit level. When the price reaches said level, the basket of orders will close with the expected profit. Each profit type has its place. Currency type is best for stable and consistent targets across pairs. Points are ideal when you want precision measured in pips. Percentage adapts automatically to different symbols and price ranges. The multiplier adds flexibility, but also means baskets may stay open longer. The profit settings in GridX are one of the most powerful tools for shaping your results. By choosing the right profit type, target value, and multiplier, you can adapt the EA to your style, whether you prefer steady small wins or larger, less frequent gains.